Hello, we are the student of Asanol University of Science and Technology, Department of Electrical and Electronic Engineering. Hello, I am Mohammad Sadman Sakib, bearing ID number 1202050060, third year, section A, semester first. Thank you for giving us a opportunity to present our presentation. Today we are going to giving a presentation is on Fermi energy. Contents: electron energy band, Fermi level, electrostatic of device charges. At first, we should know what is Fermi energy. The Fermi energy is a concept in quantum mechanics, usually referring to the energy difference between the highest and lowest occupied single particle states in quantum system of non-interacting firmwares at absolute zero temperature. Secondly, there are some difference between the Fermi level and Fermi energy. Now we are going to talk about the difference between the Fermi level and Fermi energy. There are few key differences between Fermi level and Fermi energy. They are: number 1, the Fermi energy is only defined at absolute zero, while the Fermi level is defined for any temperature. The Fermi energy is an energy difference, whereas the Fermi level is a total energy level including kinetic energy and potential energy. Number 2, the Fermi energy can only be defined for non-interacting fermions, whereas the Fermi level remains well defined even in complex interacting system at thermodynamical equilibrium. Since the Fermi level in a metal at absolute zero is energy of a highest occupied single practical state, then a Fermi energy is a metal is the energy difference between the Fermi level and lowest occupied single particle state at temperature 0. Now we are going to talk the simplified electron energy band diagram. In the diagram we can see three kind of bands: conduction band, band gap and valence band. Energy band diagram shows the bottom edge of conductor band EC and top edge of valence band EV. EC and EV are separated by the band gap EZ. In this diagram we can see the conduction band in absolute 0 Kelvin and high temperature and their difference of their curves. No electrons can be above the valence band at 0 Kelvin since none have energy above the Fermi level and there are no available energy states in band gap. At high temperatures, some electrons can reach the conduction band and contribute to electric current. In this slide, we are going to talk about the Fermi direct distribution, which is also known as Fermi function. Probability of available states energy E is being occupied, Fe is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential E minus Ef divided by kT, where Ef is the Fermi energy and K is Boltzmann constant, and we know the value of Boltzmann constant is 8.617 into 10 to the power minus 5 electrovolt per Kelvin. And if we look at the graph, there T is equal to 0 Kelvin and in the point 0.5 we can find the Fermi energy. Here we can see a more accurate graph. Now we are going to talk about the properties of Fermi direct distribution. Probability of electron state at energy E will be occupied at 300 Kelvin or at 0.026 electrovolt. Uh, Probability of the available state's energy E 1 minus F is equal to 1 divided by 1 plus exponential EF minus E divided by KT. K is denoted by Boltzmann approximation. Now we are going to talk about dependence of Fermi level with doping concentration. When silicon is undoped, their EF समान EI, also N समान P समान Ni, and in the graph we can see what is happening here. Now we are going to talk about the Fermi energy at thermal equilibrium. At thermal equilibrium, the Fermi energy must be constant, all the properties, all the positions, and here we can see the in the diagram for all the material it remains constant. Types of element. Here we can see as we increase energy, the p-type and n-type material, we are also making difference between metal and p-type, metal and n-type material. Typical Fermi energies. Metals, the number density n by v of conductor electrons in material ranges between approximately 10 to the power 28 and 10 to the power 29 electrons meter cube, which is also typical density of atoms or ordinary solid matter. The number density produces a Fermi energy of the order EF समान h square by 2 me 3 pi square 10 to the power 28 equivalent to 10 to the power 29 per meter cube. 2 by 3 is equal to 2 to 10 electrovolt. White dwarfs. Stars known as white dwarfs have mass comparable to our Sun, but have about 100 of its radius. The high densities means that electrons are no longer bound to single nuclei and instead from degenerate electron gas. The number density of electrons in white dwarf is the other of 10 to the power 36 electron per meter cube. This means the Fermi energy is EF समान 0.3 MeV. Now we are going to talk about electron transfer during contact information. Before contact information, we can observe the system in diagram 1, but after contact information, system has net positive charge in the left and negative charge in the right.
Now we are going to talk about applied bias and Fermi level. Fermi level of the side which has a relative higher electric potential will have a relative lower electron energy. Potential energy is equal to minus Q into electric potential. Only difference of the E's at both sides are important, not the absolute position of the Fermi levels. As we can see in the pictures, now we can say that potential difference across the depletion region is VBI minus VA. Now we are going to talk about electrostatic of device charge. Summation of all charge is OP0 OP2 into dxd2 equal to P1 into xd1. Now electron field equal to outside depletion regions. Now we can see in this picture p-type conduction and n-type conduction which has depletion areas. Now what is the significance of Fermi energy? In metal, the Fermi energy gives us information about the velocities of the electrons which participate in ordinary electrical conduction. The amount of energy which can be given to an electron